Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing my February BOXYCHARM unboxing. I have my box right here. So let's get into it. If you guys don't know what BOXYCHARM is, it is a monthly subscription box. It's $25 a month and you do get 5 full-size products in it. I have the base box. There are some other boxes now that they have, but I just have the regular base box. I do have a link down below if you guys want to sign up for BOXYCHARM yourselves. It is an affiliate link, so I do get like a tiny commission from it. But you guys don't have to use it if you don't want to. You guys can just go to BOXYCHARM and sign up for yourselves there. But if you guys do use my link, thank you so much. So yeah, let's just get into it. I feel like today is just a really laid back, chill day, and the products in here are pretty like simple, so I'm like, alright, cool, I don't have to do anything super crazy. First thing that we have, I'm just gonna show these couple ones real quick. This is so cute. This is the NCLA So Rich Vitamin E Infused Cuticle Oil. And it has like, I don't know if you guys can see, it has like little hearts throughout it. It's so cute, perfect for Valentine's Day and stuff. This month's box is, I think it's called XOXO, who knows. But yeah, you guys know me, Valentine's Day vibes forever, so I love this. This is super cute. And I actually think I ran out of the cuticle oil I had like not too long ago, so this is perfect. This retails for $18 and it says, "You'll heart this limited edition Valentine's Day cuticle oil. This cult favorite So Rich formula contains safflower seed oil and vitamin E to hydrate and nourish your cuticles." So you can never have too many products like that, and this little limited edition one is super cute. So the next thing is the So Poreless Deep Exfoliating Blackhead Scrub. I'm so excited for this. I love Tula. I remember when they first started as a brand, I knew the person that like worked for their like influencer marketing and stuff, and she had sent me like years ago like a little package of the stuff, and I fell in love with the products that they had. So I really love Tula. So excited because I haven't had a facial or anything. I haven't gotten any skincare treatments or anything done since last year. Even I think literally right before COVID, I got a facial and that was it. I have not done anything since then, so my skin has not been the best, but I'm excited because I definitely have some blackheads that need to go. So it retails for $32 and it says it's created with powerhouse ingredients like pink salt, volcanic sand, and witch hazel. The scrub helps target blackheads and deeply purify and minimize the look of pores. So I definitely need that. I will be using this tonight. I'll update you guys on Instagram stories or something if I do end up liking it. So definitely will be trying that. Next thing that we have is from, what is this, Glamier. The Pink Luxe Glitter Eye Brush Collection. It comes in this cute little pink makeup bag, and these brushes are so adorable. They have little hearts. I love when brushes have the like water inside them with the like hearts and things like that. So this is super cute. These retail for $29.95 for the set, and these are adorable. I'm gonna put these on display because I love them. And it says glittery, enchanting, and fun. The set features our 4 essential eye brushes, ultra soft duo synthetic bristles, make blending easy and flawless. So we have like a little blending brush, like flat fluffy brush. This is like a tiny brush, and I can use this for like my inner corner, even like doing like some detail work. You can even use this as like a lip brush. And then we just have like an angled brush. I'll be using those today. We're going through this box real fast. Next thing that we have, and I actually am going to use this. This is the Wander Beauty Getaway Eye and Face Palette. This retails for $36. And it says it's your go-to palette for a perfect getaway. Featuring 6 highly pigmented shadows, a blush, and a highlighter. So highly pigmented, I mean they're very brown, beige, very beige, but there is a highlighter and a pretty blush in here. So we're gonna be doing a real simple look today, so let me go ahead and prime my eyes real quick. Okay, hey guys, I did like my base really quick because my camera literally turned off and died, and I was like, okay, great. So I let my camera charge for a little bit, so I just did that really quick because there's no face products in here besides the like blush and highlighter, so I didn't do that. So let's just get to it. I'm gonna take Villa. It's a very light brown. It's gonna be a very simple look. Oh, that's actually, okay. That was a lot more pigmented than I thought it was gonna be. It did not look very like pigmented in the pan, but it definitely was a little bit more pigmented than I thought. By the way, how is Mercury retrograde treating you guys? Because it's been treating me rough. It's been a rough Mercury retrograde. I cannot even deal. One of my cars broke down. Like, it was just a mess. I had a panic attack when that happened. There's a lot of stuff. Somebody passed away. Hope you guys are doing okay, because it's been a rough one over here. I'm gonna go ahead and take Chateau, this color. I don't know. Is this gonna do anything? I don't know. I don't think that did anything. I think I deepened that up a little bit. Yeah, the colors are actually a little bit more pigmented than they look. I mean, they're not like deep shades by any means, but they are a little bit more pigmented than they look in the pan. Ooh, that's actually really pretty. This is Cabana. It's like a really pretty, perfect gold, so. Shimmers are really nice. Of Bungalow, which is that shade. Oh, that's really pretty. That's like a really pretty bronze. Put that like towards the outer part. Take the two shades that I used in the crease on my lower lash line. I wish there was like at least like a little bit of a deeper brown in here. Just because I feel like it's very bland. I'm going to take the blush, which is called Day Trip. It's like a nice pretty pink blush. I'm going to take the highlighter, which is called After Hours. Love that name solely because of the album. That's a really pretty highlight. The shimmer stuff, like the shimmers in here and like the highlight, it's all really nice. And I'm so stupid. I forgot to use the brushes from the brush set, and I'm going to use that on my inner corner. I'm taking the highlighter. The last thing that we have in the box is from Trestique, and this is the Eye Duo Good Vibes Mascara and Eye Pencil. And this mascara is really cool because it has a built-in eyelash curler. So this is what it looks like. It just took the cap off, and you pull this little part down and it's an eyelash curler, so that's cool. I don't usually curl my eyelashes because my eyelashes are actually really curly, so I don't ever do it, but I'm gonna do it for the sake of the video. This really huge phobia of eyelash curlers because I'm always scared that I'm gonna cut my eyelashes off. Alright, so that's the little eyelash curler. It's cute. Don't know how often I would use it because I don't usually curl my eyelashes. There's an eye pencil in here, so let me take that out. I have used Trestique eye pencils before. They actually are really nice and creamy. If I could take this out, that'd be nice. Oh yeah, so this is what it looks like. I like the packaging because it just looks like a pencil, but the pencil just flew out. That's lovely. So let me just put that back in the pencil. I'm just going to put this right here. And just smudge that out with my finger, honestly. That's a really nice, like, smudgy eyeliner. You could obviously use a brush to smudge out your eyeliner or whatever if you're doing this. The emo in me just still uses my fingers to do this. So that actually smudges out really nicely, and I like that. I like that eyeliner. And I feel like once right now, like, it's set and I don't feel like it's gonna move or anything. So let me try this mascara out. How do I even, oh. I feel like this is just so obnoxiously big. This retails for $44, by the way. It's giving me length and volume, so you guys can kind of see the difference right there. It's a nice mascara. I don't know like how often I would use it just because it's so big. It's like, let me see, where's my color? This is a ColourPop foundation. Look how big this is compared to it. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and just finish putting this side on and put some lashes on, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I didn't end up putting lashes on just because honestly I don't feel like wearing lashes today, and I feel like that mascara actually made my eyelashes look decent, so that's always nice. I feel like it was like one more coat away from being like clumpy though, so but I think it looks good. Overall, this month's box was okay. Go ahead and add up everything in this month's box to see what it's worth. This month's box was worth $159.95, which is actually not bad. I feel like that's one of the more like higher price point boxes that we got in a while. So again, that's not bad because you do only pay $25 for it. So I am excited to try the cleanser. I think this is like the most thing I was excited about in here because I definitely need it. This palette, I probably will never use it again. It was okay. Like, the shimmers in here were pretty and the highlight and stuff, but overall it's not anything crazy. I definitely think we've gotten way better like palettes in BOXYCHARM before. This one was okay. Honestly, I was expecting a lot more from like a Valentine's Day box. Maybe like a pink palette or something. I mean, I guess the packaging's pink, but like the actual shadows itself, so bland. I don't know, like it's just not what I was expecting for a Valentine's Day box. Like they could have definitely done something a little bit better than that. I don't know. Let me know if you guys got a different palette in your box this month. Little cuticle oil was cute because it has little hearts in it again. Can't go wrong with it. It's okay. The mascara was okay. Other favorite thing in the box was obviously these brushes. They're really cute. And this definitely fits like the Valentine's Day theme. I was hoping that we would get something with like hearts or pink or something. So that was cute, but overall it was like an okay box. Yeah. Anyways, leave me a comment down below what you guys got in your box this month. Did you guys get anything different? Anything more like Valentine's Day-esque, I guess? Let me know in the comments down below. I want to hear what you guys got. Because I just feel like it was kind of I was very excited for like a Valentine's Day box, and then I like opened it and I was like, alright. But it wasn't bad, it just wasn't my favorite. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys did like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.